This video is a Canberra locals recommendation on how best to enjoy Floriade and plan your time in our beautiful city. I will outline a plan that covers a quick visit, an overnight stay, or even a weekend in beautiful Ngunnawal country.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
If you are here for only a quick visit, get in early to check out the beautiful blooms in Commonwealth Park. Floriade will put on show a wide range of entertainment, local produce, food trucks, and my favorite, a gin garden by Underground Spirits. Visit the Underground Spirits Gin Garden to experience award-winning local blends. On your way out, stop over at the Australian Parliament House for an informative tour and decadent high tea. If you are in Canberra for a day, spend the afternoon at Pialigo Estate enjoying a farm tour followed by an amazing dining experience highlighting the organic produce grown on their farm and a menu driven by the changing seasons. An afternoon paddle on Lake Burley Griffin or a sunset cruise with Go Boat is ideal for anyone spending the weekend in Canberra. Remember to stop over for a Japanese fusion dinner and a beverage at Editori in the heart of Canberra City. Canberra has a wide range of fine accommodation options that are sure to delight. Start your second day bright and early on board a hot air balloon flight, enjoying the cityscape, cultural icons, and sounds of spring as you observe these beautiful Ngunnawal lands welcoming you with open arms. The action-packed Gold Creek Village will entertain you with the National Dinosaur Museum, Cockington Green Gardens, and so much more. Stop over at Murrumbateman Chocolates as you make your way to one of our many award-winning cool climate wineries. Commonwealth Park takes on a new vibe with Night Fest. Check out the Floriade website for detailed information as well as a day-by-day schedule. So don't miss out. Get your family, your friends, and even your pets ready as you make plans to visit Floriade this year.